चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Protest demanding transparency and accountability in how the NEET is conducted. The Supreme Court has come down heavily on the NTA and the centre. In fact, this over alleged paper leak and malpractices where the Supreme Court has observed, and I quote, if there is even a 0.001% negligence on the part of anyone, then it should be thoroughly dealt with, unquote. This is the statement that has been made by the top court to the NTA and the centre as well with regards to the alleged malpractices in the NEET round. Remember, students who are staging an all India protest today, and they continue to knock the doors off the centre as they say that there have been several instances of paper leak, of corruption within how NEET is conducted. Let me cut across to Riyanka, who continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Riyanka, you've been tracking this story for very many days now. In fact, I'd say from its inception. And now that the Supreme Court has made it this clear, saying that even if there is the slightest chance, 0.001% of anyone who is malfunctioning, then that must be taken into account and it must be dealt with thoroughly. Will this now have the NTA and the centre admit to what is happening and make required changes? How are students reacting?
See, there are now strict observations by the Supreme Court. It has now mentioned that the NTA must take the grievances of the students quite seriously, and if there is any issues or any irregularities found that needs to be corrected on time, the Supreme Court now coming in support of the students who are constantly protesting in the entire country, because it is the matter of lakhs of students who have given exams. They are constantly demanding re-examination, and they want the NTA to take note of the paper leak that has happened, as far as also the OMR sheet irregularities. Now let us get you what happened in the Supreme Court today. Well, the court said that we understand the hard work of the students, and this is regarding the preparation of the examinations, which is why the NTA should look into the matter as soon as possible with no time. The Supreme Court's very important comment coming in, it says that even if 0.01% mistake has been found, that needs to be dealt strictly. So this is what the Supreme Court is now saying. Remember, there were several petitions that have been filed in the Supreme Court, and the final hearing will take place on the 8th of July on all these petitions. Today there was a hearing on the Supreme Court in the petition that included the one with educationist Nitin Vijay. He was also demanding a re-NEET examination. The bench also mentions that the petitioner says around 20,000 students have given their complaint under the digital Satyagraha portal, and they are constantly demanding re-NEET. So you understand the number is quite high. 20,000 students now coming out. They want re-NEET examinations. They want the NTA to come down heavily on those involved in paper leak, which is why the Supreme Court has now issued strict guidelines to the NTA that it needs to keep a check and
लगाई है, और फिर से जो मेन मैटर है जुलाई 8th के लिए लगा दिया गया है।
सर, लगातार सुप्रीम कोर्ट में नीट को लेकर पिटीशन आ रहे हैं, एक आपका भी है, इससे पहले भी आए हैं, तो आपको क्या उम्मीद है सर? 8 जुलाई को नेक्स्ट हियरिंग होने वाली है, क्या उम्मीद लग रही है?
देखिए, आज जिस तरीके का ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ने NTA को बोला है, उससे हमारी उम्मीद बहुत जाग गई है। हमारे पास जो पिटीशन है उसमें 20,000 स्टूडेंट्स ने वो पिटीशन को साइन रिप्रेजेंट किया अपने को, और ये 8 जुलाई को आएगी। और मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स ने ये भी बोला है कि हमारा भी टाइम लॉस हुआ था। तो जाते जाते ऑनरेबल जजेस ने ये भी एड्रेस किया कि ये जो आप फिगर पे आए हैं कि 1563 स्टूडेंट्स का टाइम लॉस हुआ था, वो किस बेसिस पे आप कह रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो तो बहुत लोगों का हुआ था। हमारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने पिटीशन किया है, वो उनका नंबर ही बहुत ज़्यादा था। तो काफ़ी आज की हियरिंग मैं कहूँगा बहुत अच्छी रही, फ्रॉम कैंडिडेट्स पर्सपेक्टिव और स्टूडेंट्स पर्सपेक्टिव के लिए आज का हियरिंग बहुत अच्छा था। 8 जुलाई को हम बहुत होपफुल हैं, क्योंकि और भी और एविडेंस जैसे हो रहा है, एविडेंस ऑफ मास चीटिंग, एविडेंस ऑफ फ्रॉड, एविडेंस ऑफ कोल्यूशन सामने आ रहा है।
Now, sir, in English, sir, can you tell me what happened in hearing today?
Today, the honorable judges were very clear, and they say they address to NTA that assist the court. Don't think it is your client. You have to don't make it as an adversarial proceedings. This is not student versus NTA. It is you have to assist the court if there is anything, even that's what exactly what they said. Even if there is a 0.001%, they find anything that is happening, NTA officials should be taken to task. There should be nothing that should be hidden. So matter was again posted for July 8, which is when the main petition will come up. But at this point of time, the honorable courts were very clear, and they did not give even NTA an opportunity they said you have to file a reply, but at the same time be very clear that you have to assist the court in this.
Sir, what happened today in the hearing regarding the NEET?
Yeah, so today the matter was